Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share an interesting recipe which is chocolate skillet cake. This is so easy and simple to make. I would say this is an one-pot cake as well. Chocolate skillet cake tastes best when served with a dollop of vanilla ice cream. Without further ado, let's get started. Take half cup of cocoa powder in a sieve. Add in 80 grams of maida or all-purpose flour. Cup measurement means take 2/3 cup and remove 2 teaspoons of flour out of it. Sift the maida and the cocoa powder so that both combines well. We are going to prepare chocolate skillet cake and of course we need a skillet pan. I have taken an 8-inch cast iron skillet pan. Heat the pan at low flame and add in 100 grams of butter. Once the butter melts, add in 1 cup of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can add white sugar as well. Cook it in low flame until the sugar melts. Add in half a teaspoon of instant coffee powder. This coffee powder gives nice dark color to the chocolate cake. Switch off the flame and add in half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Stir the mix with spatula so that it cools down. Add in 2 pinches of salt. Once the butter and the sugar mix has cooled down slightly, add in 3 eggs. We have to add the eggs one by one and mix it gently. The butter and the sugar mix should be cooled down reasonably or else this will become scrambled egg. Now I'm adding in the 3rd egg. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. You can add this baking powder while sifting the flour and the cocoa powder. Now gently fold in the flour mix little by little and continue mixing. Actually, I'm adding all these ingredients after switching off the flame. This is well seasoned skillet pan. Hence the cake didn't stick to the bottom of the pan after baking. Look at the difference. The chocolatey, ambitious cake batter is ready now. Add in 100 grams of milk chocolate. You can add chocolate chips as well. Give it a mix and add a little more chocolate on top of the batter. The cake batter is ready and it's time to bake the cake. Bake the cake for 20 to 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. I have also made skillet chocolate chip cookie or pisuki. I'll share this recipe soon in my channel. Look at the difference. The soft chocolatey skillet cake is ready now. Actually, the baking time completely depends on your oven type. As I said earlier, this is a one-pot chocolate cake. This is so easy to make and kids will really enjoy it. I'll slice a piece of cake and show to you. The best way to serve this cake is with a dollop of ice cream. So it's always preferable to have it with ice cream. Do try this easy, delicious chocolate skillet cake and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.